I'm Ed. I'm a fourth generation potato farmer in St Bride's, Pembrokeshire, where we've grown Pembrokeshire Early Potatoes. Being right on the coast, we're in the Gulf Stream and the St Bride's Bay, and we get nice pleasant springs, nice warm spring weather, and the ground is perfect conditions. I think they're the best potatoes in the world. They've got a very distinctive taste. They can be sweet, they can be creamy. You can cook them in a variety of ways, roasted, anything, or the simple way is usually the best, just boiled with some butter and a bit of salt and pepper. Can't go wrong. Yeah, I'm fourth generation potato grower, so we've been growing them in my family for a long time, and they've been grown in Pembrokeshire for even longer, and the skills have been passed down through the generations. To give you an idea of what they look like and why they're so special, they're nice oval look at potatoes, and they've got the flaky skins. We grow about 40 acres of Pem's Earlies here, which is most of our potato crop, and we do that in a mixed farm with livestock. The potatoes are just part of the rotation with the beef as well, so it's good for the land to have a nice rotation in other crops. We're lucky here, we've got nice soil. It's mostly red sandstone, so it dries out very quickly and you can get on it nice and early in the spring, and it heats up, allowing the potatoes to get a good head start in their growth. Yeah, we've had GI status with Pem's Earlies since December 2013, and it shows that they're quite a unique product and they're special and one of a kind, and it's a bit of a high quality product. And people know when they buy the Pem's Earlies that it's a genuine product that is grown locally and to a high standard.